We all want to present well, and we all want to be remembered, and we want our presentations to be impactful. So here are 5 tips on how to do just that. Number 1, be yourself. The audience is there to watch and to see you. So make sure you don't play the part of the presenter. The next thing is, try and think about being a produced version of you. You basically should be you on a good day. So look to produce up certain aspects of yourself that make you engaging. It might be your sense of humor. It might be your incredibly geeky knowledge. It might be your warmth. Play with them and see how your presentation and indeed you start to come to life. Next thing is to try and spend time and think about structure. Think about the shape of your presentation. Split it up into timed sections, as this will give you a flow to use and a flow to play with, and also it will take your viewer on a journey. Look to use facts in your script, as this will help your audience believe you, and also think about using emotions, because they will help your audience connect with you. And also look to draw your audience in with a personal story. This will help you be relatable, and the more of you that you put into your presentation, the more engaging you will be, and therefore the more impactful your presentation will be too. And a quick extra tip, keep it short. Less is always more. Think of words like dynamic, energetic, fun when writing your script. Too many presentations are dull, they drag, they lack pace, so keep it short, cut the waffle and the chat, and keep it short. Hope you found this useful. I've been Gareth Davis from the Presenter Studio. To find out more information about what we do and how we might help you, get in touch with us, check out the website, email us or give us a call, and make sure you connect with us on social media.